Hello everyone. Today we are having the latest smartphone from Asus. This is Asus Zenfone Zoom, and this is the big retail box which is for Asus Zenfone Zoom, right? This is the biggest box we have ever seen for a smartphone. So let's see what's inside. Before we open the box, let's have a look at the box itself. Here you can see the world up close, which is a kind of tagline for the Zoom smartphone. This is the Asus logo and Intel inside, and you will know that the device Asus Zenfone Zoom is powered by Intel CPU, right? So let's open it up. You can open it up by pulling out this, right? So you have nothing in it. Here you have a small piece of letter from Asus, just the usual kind of letter. This is also the first which we are seeing in any smartphone. Apart from that, this is the box, right? And here in the box we can see something more than just a smartphone. This is most probably your smartphone box, this one. Apart from that, you have this Asus bunny kind of thing, a toy, right? And here is something new again, which we haven't seen in any smartphone. These are called Gencredible cards. Basically, if you pull them out, these cards basically tells you different features that you can do with the smartphone, right? Using this you can know a bit more than what usually comes with the manuals. So honestly we are not sure what exactly it does apart from that the cards, right? We'll check these cards out later on and see if they do something else apart from that, telling us few small things and the features, right? So we'll just put aside these cards also for the time being. Just put them in the box again, right? So basically these boxes are giving you a feel that it is a premium device. So I'll just put away this box, and also I'll just pull it here, right? So this is the actual phone retail box. We'll just open it up and see what's inside. So basically we just pull out the wrapper of the box, and now we can open this retail box and let's see what's inside. As you can see, this is your smartphone. We can just pull it up. Here, this is your Asus Zenfone Zoom. We'll talk about the device in a bit later. This one is just like a small leather kind of holding stuff which you can attach to the smartphone, just like you do with cameras usually. Apart from that, we have a power adapter. This one, basically this is the power adapter which you can fix it and use it. Apart from that, we also have the earphones. These are basically the premium kind of earphones from Asus. You won't see these kind of earphones from Asus in the low end version of smartphone. This one, right? This can also be used as a mic, and most probably for changing the music also, right? Apart from that, you have few earplugs also. earbuds, sorry, which you can use with your earphones if some of them get worn out, right? Apart from that, also we have the user manuals and the warranty card. This is your warranty card and user guide. And now we have this, the micro USB cable, right? So these are the box contents from this. I will just put it at a place so that you can have a look. And this one, right? So this is the unboxing, right? And let's just power on the device and see what the actual device looks like. So we just pulled up the wrapper, and we can power on the device by just pressing the power button here. Right, here you can see the device is getting powered up. Till the device gets powered, let's have a look at the device itself in terms of build. Here you can see this is the power button and this is the volume rocker buttons. If you remember correctly, the Zenfone 2, it came with power button at the top and volume rocker buttons at the back. So Asus has gone back from that design, and it is using the conventional design of putting power buttons and the volume rocker buttons at the side. This is the dedicated camera button, if you can see, and this one most probably is used for taking the pictures and the zoom also. We are not sure what exactly it does, but we'll check that out later in our full review. And as you can see, the device has almost booted up to initial setup screen. But before let's have a look at the bottom. Here the micro USB port and the mic. Apart from that, this is a small slot which can be used to open this back panel, right? Apart from that, on the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack. On the front you have 5 megapixel front camera. At the back you have the 13 megapixel camera with 3x optical zoom. This is your laser flash, and this comes with level 4 optical image stabilization with 0.03 second laser autofocus. This one is dual color real tone LED flash, right? And basically these two are real dedicated shutter and recording buttons, right? So this is a shutter button and this is a recording button, right? Hopefully you can see that in the video. So we'll just put the initial setup and see what we can. We'll just skip everything here, as we do not have any SIM card or anything else here in this device, and skip to the home screen. As you can see, the setup is complete, and now we are at the home screen. This is the home screen. We'll be doing a detailed review of this device later on, but at the moment let's have a look at some basic features. For example, operating system. As you can see here, this device is powered by Android 5.0 Lollipop. Apart from that, let's have a look at the storage also. We'll just go to storage, and here you can see the device is 128 GB, right? So this comes with 128 GB storage, out of which 111 GB is available for the end user, and approximately 17 GB is used by the system. Here you can see at the bottom, right? Apart from that, this is the usual Asus UI. that is the Gen UI, and it is same as any other Asus smartphone, right? Let's have a look at the camera. At the moment we are not sure how we'll use the optical zoom, but we'll be doing that later on in a full review. For the moment we are just having a look at the different options that the camera offers, right? We'll be doing in more detail later on. We'll just click one picture and see how good it is. Right. As you can see, at the moment it appears good in fact, but we'll hold our opinion till we do the full review, right? So this is the camera, and let's see if we can see the optical zoom also. Yeah, here you can see you can use the volume rocker buttons here for the optical zoom, and you can see for yourself that this comes with 3x optical zoom, right? So these volume rocker buttons can be used for optical zoom function, and we'll be checking out some great pictures taken by this phone later on. So at the moment the device appears quite good. In fact, this is priced at approximately 38,000 rupees, which appears a bit pricey, but still we'll keep our opinion till we do the full review of this device. So stay tuned for our full review. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Thank you.